Hey up, pond lovers. So yeah, hope you're all well. I'm in one hell of a mood. Going by my last video, obviously you saw that there was an area near the window where the liquid liner hadn't bonded. It's a lot worse than that. Let me spin you around, show you the mess everything's in. So got the pond vac out, tested my new tub when moving the fish out of here, worked an absolute treat. Got the pump, yeah, been doing everything. Right, let's get in and have a look. So the majority has bonded quite well, but yeah, this is the area that I showed you with my finger going inside. Yep, but there's also a few more areas. Now you're not going to see the ones on that side because of where the light is, but you'll see clearly the ones on this side, and we've now got water still seeping out of it. But yeah, it's not bonded to the fiberglass behind it, and because of that it's bubbled and teared, and I don't know. So I've been speaking with Carl, the creator of the liquid liner, for some ideas. We've both come up with some theories. I think I may not have cleaned the soap off enough, and gone over it with the isopropyl alcohol and whatnot. He thinks it could have been the fact that I've spread it around too much and made it too thin. Could be a combination of both, but yeah, as you can see, this area is all quite bad. It even goes as far as over here. That isn't bonded there either. Ooh, the floor's bonded quite well though, but the floor is extra thick, so I think Carl may be right, and it needs to be a lot thicker than what I made it. But yeah, there's a couple of areas on that wall as well, but I think it's too dark. Oh, if I go down low enough you might be able to see it. But yeah, down here, don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, it's not bonded to the wall there, and yeah, there's water coming out of it. Balls. Why does nothing ever go right at keeping it koi? Seriously. So Carl's asked me to do a few tests to see if I can get the liquid liner to bond to the areas that it's not bonded, and if it will, then he'll send me out a few more tubes to redo the areas that need redoing. But yeah, I've got 3 tubes left, but that whole bottom of the wall down there needs redoing. That's going to be at least a tube and a half. The bottom end down there needs redoing. That's going to be a tube. There was a few other areas that I noticed, bubbles and whatnot. But yeah, so lesson learned, guys. If using this liquid liner, where it has bonded, it's bonded fantastically. So I'm not blaming the liquid liner itself, although you do get the odd bad batch, I suppose. But I think it's been put on too thin, and maybe a pinhole, air bubble, something has obviously let water in, and that has then in return bubbled it, possibly. Who knows, I am guessing and stabbing it, but as you can tell, my camera work is shoddy, my appearance is shoddy, my brain is shoddy. Yeah, don't know what to do. I know I've still got the option of dropping in a Boxweld liner if this doesn't work, but this pond is just getting to me now. I wanted the garden tidy by now. Wanted to start enjoying the hobby again by now, but yeah, I've moved the fish into the blue vat for now. Yeah, they're happy as Larry in there. I have moved one of the tench on. A friend of mine I knew was after a tench, so that he's had the bigger of the two tench. But yeah. Oh, my videos are normally doing something. Today I'm not doing anything. I've drained the pond, moved the fish, and now I'm sulking. Oh, do apologise to the neighbours there. Obviously it's as you can tell, very sunny day, and they are in the garden playing. But yeah, I'll snap back to you once I start doing something. Don't know how many days that'll be.